What's up YouTube, it's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Vechain update. I did update everyone with Vechain in my live stream yesterday. If you didn't tune in, don't you worry, there's going to be loads more live streams coming up in the near future. I can't do one today just because I have my car's MOT. Probably going to try and get some more money out of me, say there's this problem, there's that problem, just as last year. So I'm ready to pay up the extra. But yeah, let's move on with Vechain. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We're almost at 6k subscribers. Let's try and hit that this week. It'd be much appreciated. Don't forget to like and comment underneath for the algorithm as well. And we'll move on to the Vechain update, which again we mentioned in yesterday's live stream, and we found this falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame. And we can see that since the live stream, which I think was somewhere around here, we are actually bounced, failed to break the high, came back down to the lower end of the falling wedge. So technically still valid. Target itself would be back at the high over here around 2110, 2.1 cent. Looking for continuation as we are still above the 200 EMA, and any dumps down to it, or just while we are above it, we should continue in this uptrend. Even though we formed this bearish cross right over here, we've seen one happen previously where we came back up very swiftly. So that's what we right now need to see. Potentially we had this bearish cross to come down to key levels of support, tap this area, and now looking for a V-shaped recovery to reclaim the moving averages, confirm them as support, and start to head back up to a high. We can see that potentially this could be a much larger double bottom. I will get you guys the target, but for now the falling wedge target would be back at the top. I'd look at around again 2.1 cent. But if I were to now check this double bottom pattern from the low to the high, and then right there our target would sit at about 2186, so 2.18 cents. So yeah, this is a gain. Again, as we are on the 1 hour time frame, it won't be much. So if you were to trade this, your holding position will take this gain anyway. 3% to the neckline, 3.5% to this falling wedge target, and then the double bottom target is about 8% increase from today's current valuation. But understand that well, it's just down to you how you want to take this, whether that's with leverage, without leverage, just going to do nothing and let your hodl position just get up there. It's completely down to you. I'm just here to show you the pattern, and yeah, you can do what you want with that information. So what I can now do is, as you can see, the Fibonacci is here, and we've got the 200 EMA almost at the 1 fib level. So while this is now support, I'd like to see continuation. So essentially, although it's like targeting right there, it's quite close to the 2 fibs, so I would expect continuation up to there. What I can do now is get some new fibs out from the high to the low, and yeah, we have some confluence. Look, I'm going to get rid of these larger fibs, and we can see at the moment with this double bottom breakout, it's signaling the 1414 target exactly. So this is just something acting as confluence. We can see we already set the target out initially out of this double bottom. We added the fibs, and the fibs are smack on in the right position. Let me just get that correct. There we go. So yeah, that's very nice to see. Let's go over to the daily time frame because we haven't looked at that just yet. So look at that, further confluence, guys. So we got something at the 1.272 being that 200 EMA, signaling that while beneath this we are still in a downtrend. Please keep that in mind. But we are trying to break through the downtrend, as since breaking past the 20 EMA and reclaiming it, the difference with the last time is that we failed to break through the 55. It was still on the same path, it just failed. The path was to head up to there, and we can see the failure in taking out the 55 daily moving average. But over here, in this case, we had a little fake out, came back to key levels of support, and broke out again, looking to actually target that 200 EMA. We're yet to actually test it, and we can see to the left over here, we have tapped this resistance and rejected it on 2 occasions over here and over here. So that's something to keep in mind. So right now, if we're failing to break out of that double bottom neckline, look where the neckline is exactly, guys. That purple line right there, and we just go across, is exactly on that resistance. So the neckline on the 1 hour is suggesting that this pattern is not valid until the break of the neckline. This is actually quite interesting because look where the golden pocket over here is. We need to get past this golden pocket. So that's why to create the reversal wave and head to those higher targets. So not only do we have a pattern calling for higher targets, we're yet to validate those patterns, understand that. And also with the Fibonacci's, we're yet to validate these targets over here as well. All we need to do is to break through the six. Sorry if you can hear Ivy snoring. I have a pug, guys. You're gonna always hear her. So, but but yeah, we need to pump into this area and flip it in support. So really and truly, you can even wait, because it could be a process where you do something like this. You can just wait for the 786 to be broken to 0.95. So pretty much that 2.1 area. So keep increasing it. I know. But you just want this completely cleared. So yeah, just wait for that 786 fib to be cleared and this is the 1 hour time frame. And that's how we know we are going to head towards these targets. The Fibonacci is saying we can top out over here, but we have confluence down at the 1414 target. So you can front run that and look to take profits there if you are going to trade this. Remember, if it is a very small move, this is something where you might need to use leverage. So even so, 7.5%, 8%, that's almost like what the stock market is bringing in a whole year on average. So yeah, very nice gains over here. For crypto, it's nothing. I understand that. But yeah, with leverage, this could be a very nice move, almost a 100% move if you're adding 10x. But you have to keep in mind the stop loss, which would have to be below this low. So yeah, that is actually possible, 10x, but you would lose 25% essentially. So it's whether you want to lose 25% of your whole account or 25% of what you're actually risking in that position. That's pretty much it from me today, guys. Before I go, I just want to mention again that I do have a course, mentorship, and a Discord community. If you wanted to join, I'll play a little clip of more about my exclusive chat. Otherwise, private message me over my Twitter. All the links you need are in the description down below. So just private message me on my Twitter or take action through the other links that you can find over there on the course, the mentorship, or the membership levels. Cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.